In this video, you will find out how to perform a software update on the WMF 950S. To start, go to the WMF website and select the WMF 950S. Among other things, you will find the file for the software update there. Download the new software package onto a USB stick. Please make sure that the USB stick has been FAT32 formatted and that there are no other files on the stick. On the right side of the touch display, there are two USB ports that are covered by a cap. Open the cap and insert your USB stick with the software into one of the two ports. Navigate in the system to the firmware update item. Select the HMI file. The new software is installed. It is important that the coffee machine is not switched off or disconnected from the mains during the software update, and that the USB stick remains plugged in until the update is complete. The machine restarts after a successful update. Your WMF 950S is again ready for operation, and the USB stick can be removed and the cap put back on.